Hi, I'm Ivan Zoot, and welcome into the next series here in my technical breakdowns haircut series, how to fade. We're gonna fade. We're gonna cut this haircut. We're going to take you through the steps. In video 2, we'll lay out consultation, and then we're gonna get technical. We're gonna get into cutting, but we're gonna cut a fade haircut. Smooth transition from nothing to something and something to nothing. Not putting a line in. If you don't put, the secret here is, the whole video series is, if you don't put the line in, you don't gotta take the line out. I'm gonna cut this haircut without ever putting a line in, and every snip, every clip is the commitment. You'll never see me have to take a line out. I'll show you how it's done. We'll break it down. We'll make it easy. And this right here is a career haircut. If you can do this haircut, and you can do modifications and variations on this haircut based on what the client wants in the consultation, next video, what the client brings you on their head, you can build a career right here. I want to help you do it. How to fade, how to make it easy, how to make it better, how to make it quick. That's what we're here for. This series is going to be 13 videos over the next 13 days. I'm excited to have you here. Like the video, comment on the video, share the video with a friend in the business, turn on your notifications, never miss a video. There's one every day. We're going to break it down together right here. Thanks for joining us.